Want to watch live NFL games, replays, and NFL Network anywhere you go? In this quick guide, I will show you exactly how to get NFL Plus. Open the NFL app on your phone or tablet or go to nfl.com/plus on your computer. NFL Plus is the NFL's official streaming service. You'll see two options, NFL Plus and NFL Plus Premium. NFL Plus includes live local and prime-time games on mobile, live audio for every game, and NFL Network. NFL Plus Premium adds full and condensed replays plus the all 22 coaches film. Click sign up and enter your name, email, and password. If you already have an NFL account, just log in. Pick monthly or annual billing, enter your payment details, and confirm your subscription. Once subscribed, open the NFL app on your phone, tablet, computer, smart TV, or streaming device. Log in with your NFL account and you are ready to watch. And that's it. You now have NFL Plus. Enjoy live games, replays, and exclusive NFL content all season long. If this helped, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.